10 Great Facts on Bharat Ratna Baba Sahib Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He was born on April 14, 1891, in Mahor, Madhya Pradesh, as the son of Ramji Maloji Sekpal and Bhimabai. Bhimrao's ancestors belonged to the Maha caste, who were guerrillas in the army of Maharaja Shivaji. Although the Maha caste was considered to be the lowest caste in the society, they were equal to Kshatriyas in fighting spirit. As a child, he was passionate about cricket and music. Ambedkar, a Brahmin who taught Bhim Rao in school, added his family name to Bhim Rao's name. The Constitution of India was the brainchild of Ambedkar, who was educated at the famous Elphinstone College in Bombay, then at Columbia University in the United States, the London School of Economics, and the prestigious Gary's in London. An expert in economics, law, and politics alike, he was a staunch opponent of the Aryan invasion theory. In his books, he wrote extensively on the caste system, Islamic fundamentalism, and organized conversion. In his dissertation, Ambedkar was a staunch patriot who sharply criticized the British economic policies that led to India's economic collapse. It was Ambedkar who first came up with the idea of adding the Ashoka Chakra to the national flag of India. He is the first and only person in the world to graduate as a Doctor of All Sciences from the London School of Economics. He spent 16 to 21 hours a day studying. Ambedkar's research paper on economics at the London School of Economics paved the policies of the Reserve Bank of India. In his research paper, he elaborated on the devaluation of the rupee and demonetization. Ambedkar was the first backward class lawyer in the country and the first backward caste person to study abroad. He had a profound knowledge of 64 different subjects and a master in 9 languages, including French, German, and Sanskrit. The government of India described him as the most excellent scholar the world has ever seen. He became the first law minister in India after independence and resigned from the ministry following a disagreement with Nehru. He died on December 6, 1956, at the age of 65. The Bharat Ratna was awarded to him by the VP Singh-led government in 1990, 35 years after his death, because he was unacceptable to the Nehru-Gandhi family due to his differences with Nehru.